Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rellz here, and today we about to be dyeing my hair. I dyed my hair maybe like a year ago, not quite, but it's just like I'm ready for my hair to be back black. It's not really exciting, like this is not an exciting kind of like I'm not dyeing my hair pink or nothing, but you know, I just thought I would document this. So I'm gonna be styling my hair as well. Like I'm not just gonna dye my hair and leave y'all hanging. Like I'm gonna maybe do like a twist style or like a wash and go or something like that, so I can show y'all the difference. I feel like my hair is gonna look so much thicker and fuller once my hair is black, because like baby, look, like y'all, my hair literally is brush up length. Yeah, brush up length. So we're about to go ahead and dye it, and I'm gonna style it, and it's gonna be so cute. Like y'all, I promise y'all. So let's just get started. I've done this before, so it's really nothing to it but to do it. Okay, so is this, where's the English? Baby, I don't care. Okay, wait, you just, okay, like I said, you just pour one into two. They talking about all the extra steps and stuff, and I didn't ask for all that. Ooh, 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 ooh. So you're putting this in here and we're shaking it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Okay, how should I do this? I put on a black shirt that I don't care about, but I'm wearing white shorts. So I'm almost gonna section off my hair. We got to put our little glovey gloves on first. Peel this off. Okay, y'all, I'm really about to do it. Like this is the end of a short-lived era. I'm really being dramatic right now, and it's really not that deep. Okay. Y'all. Okay. Just do it. Just do it. Okay. But I really can't see like the line of differentiation or whatever it's called. Like, why is she acting dramatic? Like, girl, do it. Okay. Here it goes. Oh, it's black now. I should have took my bracelets off. That would have been smart. I can't record this whole thing because I gotta turn the fan on, because it's getting stark. I still see brown. Like, is it like hair color? Like you supposed to cover everything and you see like that color? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, y'all. So I'm halfway through now. This is like, what? Like, y'all look. Wait, okay. Okay, I feel like I see better without my glasses on, like the colors and stuff. But look. Like, this was cute. Like, this was a cute moment over here. But this just like the jet black is jet black, and like it's supposed to jet black. Like look at it, please. Like, okay, for real. Okay, but look. Okay, y'all look. I keep telling y'all, but look. But y'all already looked. Like, y'all looked already. Like, y'all see it. I'm about to go ahead and do the other side. Okay, let me put these gloves back on, because I do not want to have my hands purple, because black dye turn your hand purple. Like, it ain't even respectful enough to turn your hand black. Yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I just feel so excited, because I've honestly been like hating my hair for like a couple months back. Like, I was really contemplating cutting my hair off, and baby, you just needed to dye it back black. Like, you didn't even have to do all that. Like, you was being dramatic. Like, girl, just dye it back black. So it's currently, what's today's date? March 26th. And wait, let me put my glasses on, because my eyes be hurting with the light. Okay, so it's currently March 26th, and I'm going out of town on April 29th. I already mentioned that. That's when I'm going to do the bust down passion twist all the way 30 inches. And I don't plan on doing like a protective style until then. So I have literally like a month and a couple days to take care of my natural hair. That's just overwhelmed me. I haven't worn my natural hair for a month straight in a while. I haven't worn my natural hair for more than like maybe a week at a time since I dyed my hair. So that's really crazy. But this is about to be a task, a journey. I feel like I needed this. I need this time so that I can fall back in love with my hair, because if you knew me in high school, freshman year, sophomore year of college, then you know that I loved my hair. Like, I ate down when it came to my hair with those styles. I was doing everything, baby. I was a twist out queen in high school, baby. I was a twist out queen. I had the little bantu knot styles. Like, I was really doing it up with my natural hair, and that's really the reason that I started this channel, was because everyone will always tell me make a YouTube channel and like share what I do with my hair, because everybody knew I loved my hair, and I loved it so much. Like, it just, like, other people could see that I love my hair. So like, yeah, start a YouTube channel. And like, people always would ask me questions about my hair. Like, I haven't got questions about my natural hair on social media in I don't know how long. That's how you know. But I used to literally get them like every other day. I started this YouTube channel to share like my journey and be representation for people with type 4 hair like me, because I have type 4, A, I mean not type A, it's like 4A, 4B hair. Like I definitely don't have 4C hair. Like I'm not one of them girlies who try to claim, oh, 4C hair. There was no representation for me, but it was at a distance. Like it was all on social media. Like in real life, there was no curly hair girl that had my texture that I've seen in real life. I had curly hair girls at my school, but they were like, not to be like stereotypical, but they were like the light skinned ones who just had the curly hair. Like it was inevitable. Like they, you know, they just had pretty curly hair. Like my hair is pretty curly hair too, but I'm not saying, but you know, y'all know what I mean. When I started wearing my natural hair to school, sophomore year and junior year, people were like, oh, I love your hair, because I'm a fairly darker skinned black girl. Like I'm not the darkest of the darkest, but you know, I'm a brown skinned black girl and I have type 4 hair. So other girls at school would see me and they would be like, oh, I love your hair, like what do you do with your hair? And they like, teach me, because they see like, oh, like that's my toilet. They would see me and they'd be like, oh, like this is a curly hair girl who don't just wake up and wet her hair and go. Like there's no way like she wake up and wet her hair and go. You actually have to put work and time into making my hair not presentable, but like making me feel confident enough to go out with my natural hair in its curly state. So that's really the reason that I started this channel, because I want to be representation for like people in my city, like the girls who ask me about my hair, so I could just refer them to my YouTube videos. Because like I was getting tired of like, yeah, I use this and this and this and this and this and this, but I would reply to everybody. I was getting tired of it. So I'm like, oh yeah, just watch my YouTube video, just watch my YouTube. So I feel like I kind of like not let people down, because I don't really know who's like really like looking forward to me or nothing like that. Not that I ain't awesome or nothing, like I ain't really all that in the bag of chips, but you know, like I feel like I let myself down because I strayed from my mission. Not that like this was a mission, but like I strayed from my mission because I dyed my hair, I fell all over with it, I wasn't styling it, I was just getting protective style. So then like if I'm getting protective style, I'm keeping my protective style in for like a month, because like if I sat there and work all day, like, baby, I'm about to keep this in for like a month. How many YouTube videos can I really make about a locks or like, you know, passion twist or something like that? That's just my little rant. I'm about to just finish this off. Without you, you always see me through the good and bad, and no other way. Okay, hit it up, recipe. So this is my hair completely done, y'all. My camera kept overheating for some reason, so I wasn't able to give you what I wanted to give you. You know, that was fairly easy. I feel like it took me way longer than it was supposed to, but so I'm just gonna let this sit for maybe like 15 minutes maybe. Y'all, I got dye all over me. Like I don't think y'all understand. Like I literally spilled a glob of dye on my shorts, and my shorts are white, so I'm pretty sure that I just have to throw these shorts away. So yeah, I'm about to rinse this out and then I'm gonna come back and we gonna style my hair together. Okay, y'all, I'm out of the shower. I just want to say that that was the most traumatic shower experience that I ever had in my life. Dye in my eye, shampoo in my eye, conditioner in my eye. My tub is getting black, dye flinging across to my toilet on the floor. What a time, what a time. But okay, we made it. Let's take this down though. So this is how my hair turned out. Like I feel like this is more me. And mind you, my hair has shriveled up so much because I had it in that towel and I had it scrunched up into a little bun for like at least an hour. Look at my hair. Look at her. Like once I like blow dry it and like pick it out, it'll get thicker looking. Okay, let me show you what I use. This right here gets me right every time. I love, she's that girl, she's that one. I shampooed twice with Head and Shoulders because I have bad dandruff, so I need to do something to combat that. And I was like, okay, my hair is starting to feel bad. Like it started to feel like rough. I'm like, this is not, baby, that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. So I put some Aussie on there and it made it feel 10 times better. Then I used a conditioner and then I just kept going back and forth like 5 times. And now my hair feels great. I think I'm just about to go in with this Rell Hawaiian something conditioner. It says overnight conditioner, but I'm not washing this out, and I don't think there's really an issue if I don't wash it out. I haven't done my natural hair in a while, so I don't even have like a routine or anything. I'm just gonna put this on. Like, I honestly don't remember. I know I used to use leave-in conditioner and Eco Styler gel, but baby, I'm not putting Eco Styler gel all over my whole head no more. Like, baby, we passed that. I actually got this in a curl box that was sent to me. This is a Cream of Nature butter blended and flaxseed double duty stretch and define pudding. It looks like that. I've never tried this before. I'm just add some of this. I feel like that makes sense, right? I'm really relearning my hair. Like, okay, she kind of giving, is she? Being able to go to class. So let's go tie that boy up. Okay, I look crazy, but we're gonna come back when it's ready. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of my hair. It turned out so cute. Like, you can't tell me I ain't cute. Just look at it. Like, do you see her? Do you see her? And I have to do a little blow drying to make it, you know, come down a little bit. I give it about 10 minutes before it shrivel back up, but that's not the point. Okay, it look cute now. I feel so much better about my hair now. Like, I did not know how much dyeing my hair really took a toll on me and my connection to my hair. Like I said, I was really debating on cutting my hair. Like, I really did not like my hair anymore. The brown never gave. Like, it was cute. She was cute for the moment, but she never gave like the bust down black. Baby, she always ate, and she forever gonna eat. I'm so happy that I made this choice. I was kind of like, what's it called? What's that word? Apprehensive. Is that the word? Yeah, apprehensive about dyeing my hair back black. I don't know why. My hair was been black before. I knew it was gonna be cute. I knew I was gonna like it, but I don't know. I just didn't know if I was ready to let go of the brown. But I really was. Like, I didn't do anything with the brown. My camera's literally about to die, so thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. I ain't really gonna press you about it. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, and put in the comments how much you like my hair, because I know you like it. Bye. I'm just kidding. So beautiful. You should just be yourself. You don't gotta be like everyone.